my divine distributors, thank you very much for coming. Amazing. You're welcome. I want to thank God for divine intervention. Because what we're witnessing today in Abia State is prayer answered. I'm not a politician. So let me put something straight. I'm not a politician. I don't belong to any political party. But I am from Abia State. This is my state. If it's decaying, it's affecting me. His Excellency, you came into a decayed, collapsed system. Decayed and collapsed. Okay, look at a whole community like this. No single hospital. So this general hospital is towards rescue of life. So you're not into just doing road, but rescue of life. You know how many people have been referred? Only it's a general hospital. It's not just building the hospital, they're also building quarters for the doctors and nurses. You know how many people have been referred to this hospital? Then let's look at the economic benefits of this hospital. So many chemist shops will open. So many hotels and guest houses will be opened. Business transactions will begin to go happen. Restaurants will open. But those in the hospital on admission will buy food. Those that came to see their relative will lodge in the hotel. His Excellency, you don't know what you have done in the East and to happen. This is divine. So we owe what we owe him. We don't owe His Excellency or anything. What we owe him is number one, prayer. Like, by the grace of God, during election, I don't think you need to come and campaign here because we are giving a bulk vote. What are you coming to campaign? We have seen the results. You have turned Abia State to a huge construction site. It's either you are flagging off a project or you are commissioning a project every day. It has never happened in Abia State before. It has never happened every day. Either commissioning, flagging off. Commissioning, flagging off. Abia State is now a construction site. Work is going on everywhere. You can see people walking here. So, construction work is going here. Not only construction, but look at healthcare. This general hospital, you don't know how many lives are going to be saved. We now, like what my brother just said, we know what it is. We're thinking that if we commit any crime, that government is not remembering us. All past government, no one is remembering us. No government has come to commission any project in Abia. This is the first time. So we are excited, we are happy, and we are very, very excited because you came into a system that is decayed, that is collapsed, and you are building it. This is not something that will be built in 4 years. Because the damage is not 4 years still. It's not even 8 years still. Because the damage is so much. The damage is so much. You have to rebuild from the scratch. So we are happy, we are excited, and for it to be in our hand. Hey, thank you for remembering our hand. In the whole Upper East, this God is too much. So His Excellency, want to, like Oliver Twist. You know, they say, we appreciate, yes, we appreciate what I've got. We still need